Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today's project, I've prepared 3 pictures as you can see here, background, moon and ship, and I'm going to use it on my Photoshop. But before doing that, we're going to use 1080 by 1080 canvas, and I'm going to create it right now. When it's ready, I'm going to use these 3 pictures all together. Hit right click, open with Adobe Photoshop. So I have all the pictures on Adobe Photoshop ready to go. First of all, we need our background. We just drag and drop to our page, right? Click on M, right click, free transform, zoom out, make this picture a little bit smaller. I think this size is good for what we need. Hit enter, then go to ship, then click anywhere in the white area. We're going to click on Command Shift I. So now our object is selected, and then Command C, Command V. So now we have our object in a layer, right? Perfect. Click on V and then drag and drop our object to the canvas that we have made, and we have our background there. So now click on M, right click, make sure you're in the dogs or Shiba Inu or the new layers, and click on M, right click, and click on free transform. Make the dog a little bit smaller, put it around this area smaller. That should be good. Good. Zoom in a little bit. Great. Now it's our moon, which is going to be on top of all the layers. So let's go to the moon picture. Click on V and then drag this to our canvas and put it on top. Click on M, right click, free transform, zoom out, adjust this to smaller picture. I like it around this area. Make it smaller. Here should be fine. Good. Perfect. Now turn off the layer 3 and the layer 2. Click on layer 1, go on color balance here, make sure the tone is on mid-tones and make the cyan to make it a little bit red. So I'm gonna do it like this. Cool, I like that. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna go layer 2, turn on layer 2, and then click on mask here, click on B, on top, make it a little bit bigger in terms of the size. See? Then we're gonna go to the last layer, click on mask again, G, and then click on the mask portion of the layer, and then click on B, the black, so we're gonna hit X, and then we're gonna brush it a little bit because we're gonna remove a part of the picture that is on top of the Shiba. So I'm unmasking the part that is on top of the trees. One more thing that I would love to use is the burn tool. So in the corner of tools, you will see the dodge tool. If you click on it and hold it, you will see the three options. You click on burn tool, click on it, and then come over here on our dog and trying to make it a little bit more black.